Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's video, we begin at mile 229.4. We're in Riviera Beach and immediately climb the US-1 Skypass, a viaduct over the Florida East Coast Railway yard that feeds the port of Palm Beach to our right. The port sits at Lake Worth Inlet, with tank farms, cranes, and stacks of containers visible from here. It's a busy deep-water seaport that handles containerized cargo like sugar and molasses, cement, and petroleum products, and it's rail-served right below us. Nearby are tropical shipping facilities around the terminal area and the cruise berth used by Margaritaville at Sea for short Bahamas runs. US-1 is called Broadway here, 4 lanes with barriers on the bridge and center-left turn pockets as we come back to grade. Back at street level, we continue north through Riviera Beach toward Blue Heron Boulevard, the eastern terminus of State Road 708. Eastbound Blue Heron heads over the Blue Heron Bridge to Singer Island and A1A by the beach. Westbound runs past Congress Avenue and Old Dixie under I-95 and out to the Beeline Highway, State Road 710. Just east of here at Phil Foster Park, the Blue Heron Bridge is among Florida's favorite shore diving and snorkeling spots, a big local draw on clear water days. North of Blue Heron, Broadway reads like a classic South Florida arterial with small plazas, auto services, and older mid-century storefronts stitched between palm-lined side streets. Riviera Beach had a population of about 38,000 as of the latest estimates. Median household income is around $62,000, and the median value of owner-occupied homes is about $312,000. Visitor-wise, the Marina Village and waterfront just to the east hosts frequent events, and beach access on Singer Island is close by via Blue Heron. We cross Silver Beach Road and enter the town of Lake Park, where US-1 resumes the familiar name Federal Highway. The roadway settles into 4 lanes with a center turn lane. Lake Park had roughly 9,000 residents by the latest count. The town began in the 1920s as Kelsey City, one of Florida's earliest fully planned communities, laid out by planner John Nolan with landscaping by the Olmsted brothers. The name changed to Lake Park in 1939. East of us, the Lake Park Harbor Marina and Kelsey Park sit on the Intracoastal Waterway, with neighborhood streets here showing that 1920s town plan grid. Continuing through Lake Park, watch for a mix of low-rise apartments, marine businesses, and neighborhood retail. Federal Highway stays close to the waterway here, so you'll see plenty of boat dealers and service yards sprinkled along the corridor, with side streets giving quick access to the marina and parks. we enter the village of North Palm Beach. The village has about 13,000 residents and traces much of its mid-century growth to developer and philanthropist John D. MacArthur. From US-1, signage points toward Yacht Club Drive and Anchorage Park to the east along the water. The North Palm Beach Country Club sits just west of here, home to a publicly accessible Jack Nicklaus signature course that locals know well. Federal Highway has 4 lanes through here, with frequent signals and turn pockets, and you'll notice newer streetscaping and bike markings in places. We come to Northlake Boulevard. Locally, it's a major crosstown route. Historically, Florida Department of Transportation designated this short east end as State Road 850, with the terminus here at US-1. Today it's largely county maintained, but you'll still see it referenced as a numbered route on some maps. Eastbound Northlake ends right here at Federal. Westbound runs past US-1 in Military Trail, across I-95, and out toward the acreage, and Loxahatchee with a turn to Beeline Highway further on. North of Northlake, US-1 continues through commercial frontage, while the Intracoastal lies a short distance to the east. Off to our right across the waterway is John D. MacArthur Beach State Park on Singer Island, the county's only state park and a favorite for kayaking in sea turtle season. Ahead, we approach the Parker Bridge, the US-1 drawbridge over the Intracoastal Waterway. It's a bascule span that opens on a regular quarter-hour schedule for boat traffic. We conclude today's video at mile 234.8. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment below, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.